And of course, I called all this out in that of December in 2023. My father passed away, and I was like, yeah, okay, well, I can no longer trade now. I can't really focus. So I put a whole bunch of stocks that I thought were going to go up long term. And then October of 2024, I had looked at them and went, holy cow, I'm pretty good at that. So now I'm on to that of the 2025 project. And that was long form videos, and long term stocks. And of course, this is all started off in that of January of 2025. So started watching the markets again. Once more, I got in, I got out. If you follow that of my YouTube channel, you'll know exactly what I have been doing for the last couple of months. And this is 9 months later. And of course, you can see everything happening here. January 2023, Trump in the top, and then sideways channel. And if you stay around for the rest of the video, you'll see exactly what I am doing right now. I'm on a cool platform, long-term trades, and I no longer have to day trade anymore, which is really good because it just became really hard in my brain. I tried to get back into it in 2024 and I just couldn't do it. And of course, this was March. Stock market went up and it started dropping, and you can see right there for every March. In March, everything started dropping. And of course, I think it was on the big thing of the tariffs, threat of the tariffs, and of course, it was pretty much free falling. This is all that of April and part of May. And of course, that's when I started buying right there, because that was like a 4, and I've never seen a 4 in the fear and greed index before in my life. So it was like, holy cow. And of course, all this here is when I started buying stocks again, all of April and all of May, because that was the bottom of the market. It's exactly like that of 2020, where I first got into that of the stock market. And that was like April and May of 2020. So again, once more, everything started climbing up. And as you can see, it's all documented. And of course, things started falling down again. And I looked at all my other past fear and greed index things, and I noticed that things started dropping, and then they started going back up again. And I knew that things are going to go up again. So, of course, that was May and June. And here's July. This is July. Of course, I waited for this moment, and then things started dropping down. The SQQ started going up. And as you can see, all the fine detail of everything there. SQQ activated, top of the market, 24th July. Then everything started dropping slowly, and I started selling things off. Everything that I bought in that of May, or should I say April, May, started going in the red. And it's all, to me, it is all about how much you want to make or how much you want to lose. And I just learned from my past, and from that of September 2022, you get overly greedy, and then you take it on the lips because you're at the very top of the market. It's trending in the right direction, but the trend is your friend until everything goes wrong. And I just didn't want to chance it. I learned enough from that of September 2022. If you follow my videos, you know exactly what I mean. And so I started selling off all my stocks. I made money in that of April and May. They're going in the red and kept all the ones in the green. And of course, you can see all that. Top, sell off, sell off, sell off. August the 1st was a sell off, and that's where everything started dropping. And here's everything that went from being dropped off, sell off, still selling, and then I started holding things that were still in the green from that of April and May and June. And then of course I started buying. Again, once more, only because I was off breath. I could see everything, like everything's dropping off the face of the earth with that. And then all of a sudden, boom, starts going up because stocks are being bought. So that was a indicator to me that, yeah, okay, it's time to buy. So that's what I did. And of course, one day in there, $1 trillion was added to the stock market. So I knew I was going in the right direction. So that was really good. Anyway, long story short, go down in the description. You can see that of a link to my newest secret weapon, Simply Wall Street, for long-term gains in stocks. I've been using this for the last couple of months now. It's been way easier on the old coconut, deciding what to buy or not to buy. And of course, I will have lots of videos on that before long. I've been really busy outside that of YouTube, my channel, and everything else a little while. That's why I haven't been here. But the nice thing is I can look at my entire portfolio and know it's slowly going up. And I don't have to worry about, stock market going up and down like a yo-yo or whatever. I knew it's going in the right direction. Right now I'm just holding my positions in my stocks. Of course, all of that. Everything is on my community page. Check it out. And of course, if you happen to buy that, you get Simply Wall Street link down below in the description for free for the first 30 days, after which it is $250 per year. It may seem like a lot, but I tell you, it's been worth it for me. And that way you can pick out your own stocks, and I'll be coming up with way more videos. And, of course, I'll get a little bit of commission from that, which will really be nice. I hope you enjoyed all my videos. Everything I've been doing with that of Fear and Greed Index, how I buy stocks, sell stocks, everything else. So, with all that said, have yourselves a very good day. Check that link out down below in the description. It's free for the first 30 days, after which it's $250 after that. So, I appreciate all everybody's watching my videos and support. And have yourselves a very good day. Ciao for now.